Bud Johnson with Fayette County Road Maintenance. Talk a little bit about the DieselMax that we got you guys on, and if you want to tell a little bit about it, that'd be awesome.
We can talk about that in a pretty positive way. Most of these things, as Cam has said before, we always thought it was kind of a snake oil, and as we grew up, these products to us never really worked. And Cam approached us and trying this a couple different times, and quite a believer in it. We moved into, after a little bit of convincing, trying it in one location, which was what really was a consistent location because it's our crusher, the rock quarry. So we tried that just gallons at a time, or buying it a case at a time. We weren't buying barrels or anything at that point. Anything at the quarry we're running for that 10 hours a day, if it be the loaders, if it be the crusher, whatever it is, so we could really monitor this thing. So as we were doing that, we saw instant results in the fuel consumption, how much lower it was. But as we seen instant results, they went down consistently more and more and more and more the more we ran through it. So we could see improvement through the whole time. The example I can give you for sure being the crusher. We're using about 225, 230 gallons of fuel per day, and the longer we were using this, as of right now, the same day, the same 10-hour day, and the same weather conditions, we're right about 195 gallons. So that's been a great thing for us. Our EGR system on that thing was always a nuisance. We're putting, every 6 months, putting 2 EGRs on it constantly. But it's been now 18, 24 months, whatever it's been. A couple years now, and we don't put EGR valves on anymore. So with that, I mean, we put our whole county on it now. All of our outline shops, we got 7 outline shops. They got 1,000 to 1,500 to 4,000 gallon tanks in them. So we put all of them on it. One of the big reasons we did that also was, what we found was, when we were testing this stuff out at the quarry, interesting enough, every year we had our tanks cleaned from an outfit in Grimes, Iowa. They would come up and they would put, or we would put a microbial cleaner in our tanks, then have our local guy go around and fill all of our tanks, do that on a Friday, and the guy from Grimes would come up on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever it was, and then he would clean all of our tanks for us and change the filters and whatever. We did that annually. That cost us the last time right at $7,000 to have our tanks cleaned. So what we found was, when we used this at the quarry, he thought we forgot to put, the guy that come up and clean the tanks, he thought we forgot to put the cleaner in the tank. But we put the cleaner in the tank, we're 100% sure of it. And he said there's nothing in the tank. So we quit, and we've done that now for 2 years or whatever it's been, we haven't had any trouble. But we quit having our tanks cleaned. So we quit spending the $7,000. And now we haven't had any trouble with any algae, anything in any of the tanks. Really impressed me right away with them EGR valves, because those things, that was a proven thing right away. Every 6 months it's got 2 of them on it, and we were putting them on every 6 months. But that was a quick result there. And the fuel economy just better and better and better as we kept running it up to a certain point. If these guys see what it's doing in their own trucks, I don't know why they wouldn't run it. Yeah, I could see it being a no-brainer for these bigger contractors, and when they got their tank wagons, on the job site there, everybody's pulling out of that, put it in there, hands down.